I took one name, mail ID, phone number. I took one constructor. Using that constructor, I am loading the data. This program only I should explain today to you. After this, I written the notes actually. I not yet explained to you because of time is there. Yesterday, I don't want to draw the diagram. I not yet drawn. Okay, right. Because I felt many students not available. I felt it because one important concept I'm showing. Important in the sense, already you know constructor behavior. But how constructor is taking the data and loading the data to one object. That one we have to watch it. This will be the last program. After that, we are stopping constructors and going for the next unit. That's a plan, right? So today's class, execution flow of above program. Flow of above program. So class files here. So how many class files available in this program? One, user.class file, demo.conf.class file. So one is subclass, user.class file. One is demo.conf.class file. This is one main class. There are two classes available to you. One is user.class file and one is demo.conf.class file. Right. Right. Watch the diagram. Sir, method area where classes are loaded. Anyway, heap area where objects are created. Java stack area where methods are executed. Method area, heap area, Java stack area. Method area, heap area, Java stack area. Here main class is loaded. I am not drawing the main class. You can understand, no? Right. So main method is loaded here. This is the main method. So main method is loaded here. Main method is loaded. Main method has one scanner. I am not drawing the diagram for scanner also. You know, no? Yes or no? Na? You can imagine it one scanner object reference, you know already. So whatever you know, I am not drawing it. Okay, right. Okay. Now uname, mail ID, phone number, they are all local variables. Yes or no? Na? Right. I am reading the data here. Sir, you name is some Raj. You name is equal to some Raj. Mail ID, MID is equal to R at the rate of PH number is equal to 9898. So these are all local variables. This is one local variable and this is one local variable and this is one local variable. So they are all local variable to main method. Once the data is available in the local variable, I am creating object. User U is equal to new user of. Sir, here. User U is equal to new user of uname, mail ID, PH number. New user of, that is one constructor call. Yes or no? Right. Okay. New means one object created. Means first one reference created. Sir, new means one reference created. New means one reference created. New means one reference created. After reference has been created, new. New followed by user is there. That user class must be loaded for creating object. User class must be loaded. So the user class is loaded here. User, the class is loaded. Now the loading process is going on. In that user class, you had variables. Yes or no? One is name. One is mail ID. One is phone number. One is constructor anyway. One is constructor. User of dot some variables. User constructor is having variable or no? Right. Now we had get user, one method. First time I am using one method, get user. All these variables are instance variables. So the memories are not available here. The memories are not available here. Now, once the loading has been completed, object creation starts. Once the loading has been completed, object creation starts. While object creation, instance members has to get the memory. So name will come first. They'll get the memories in the order. When the name is coming, name got one memory, imagine it. Null value will come. Why null value? Default value will come. When the memory comes, it cannot keep the memory empty. In that memory, they'll load something. That is default value will be loaded. Then mail ID will come. Mail ID. So mail ID also null. Mail ID also null. Then phone number will come. Phone number also, sorry, not null. Phone number is what now? 0. Phone number is 0. Like this, first the variables will come. Whatever the variables is there, that variables will come. After this one, it finds the constructor there in the class. Whenever the execution engine finds the constructor there, it has to cross check the constructor call is available or not. Constructor call is available for it. When the constructor call is available, the constructor will come out. Imagine it. The constructor is coming out. User with some variables, it comes out. First, the constructor should come here. Because of its instance, it comes here. That's the imagination. When the constructor came here now, constructor is having a call now. Constructor is having a call. Whenever the constructor is having a call now, constructor will go for execution. Constructor will go for execution here. User parameters are name, mail ID, and phone number. These are the parameters. No. Now the constructor came here. Always I am drawing one partition now here. Right, like this. Now when the constructor came for execution here with the same number, now very important point here. Now object is creating for which class now? User. Yes or no? Na? So user has one object here. Object has one address, no? Yes or no? Na? Now this address will be loaded onto this keyword. Will be loaded onto which keyword now? This. Your JVM will maintain this on this. This address will be available on this. That's all I made a statement here. This is a predefined non-primitive data type variable holding object reference of current running class. Current running class means current referring class. Who is referring that class now? Execution engine is referring that class. Why execution engine is referring that class? To create object. That object reference will be loaded onto this temporarily. All of understood this statement, right? So this you can call it as keyword. It is a predefined non-primitive data type variable because it is holding the object reference anyway. It is holding the object is available there. Now the constructor came for execution. The address is available under this. That is the imagination. All of it clear? Right. Okay. Now constructor execution started. Now the constructor has to take the parameters. Now it takes the name. It takes the mail ID. It takes mail ID. It takes phone number. So name loaded here, like your method. So mail ID and phone number. So from where they are coming means, sir, this name is coming here. This mail ID is coming here. And this phone number is coming here. Yes or no? Now, right. Now that local variable data you are loading onto constructor. Already you know. If any variable declared inside the method, that is local, no. Now these are local variables, no. Only difference is local variable, instance variable having same names. That's only difference. Now they are local variables. What happened now? Sir, local variable means the memories will come here only. Name will come. Mail ID will come. Phone number, the memories will come. So here name, here mail ID, here phone number. Now the data are loaded here now. Raj are at the rate of 9898. All of you understood this? Only that local variable and that instance variable names are same. Observe or not now? When we want to load data from local variables to instance variables, when we want to load data from local variables to instance variables, and if they are having same names, then we use this keyword. That's a concept. Understood now? If they are different variables, not needed. Understood this point? Right. Now I will say I must load that name to this name. I must load it. So how I'll write it now? Sir, here I will write it. This dot name is equal to name. This dot mail ID is equal to mail ID. Now this dot ph number is equal to ph number. Dot means what now? Belongs to, means what? Name belongs to this. This means address. No, what is the address now? 0x22. Name belongs to 0x22. Load name onto name. Name belongs to 0x222. Understood now? Because both are same names. No, I'm giving address location to you. So what happened now? So the data are updated here. The data are updated. This is updated here. This is updated here. This is updated here. The data are updated. Now data are updated. Here Raj will come. Raj will come. Here R at the rate of will come. And here 9898. See, all this work is done by the constructor, and all this work is done by while object creation, RHS. While we are executing new user, RHS. When the RHS execution is going on, constructor came, constructor took the data, constructor loaded the data to the object. That only initializing the instance variables while object creation. Constructor will support you to initialize instance variables while object creation. Once completed, this constructor will be destroyed. The frame will be destroyed. Whenever it is destroyed here, this memory also destroyed, because not needed, nobody will call it. To save the memory internally destroyed. Over, no? Right. Once it is completed, then that method will come and sit here. What is the method now? Get user. The method will come and wait here now. Void get user will come and sit here. Now, once the get user got the memory in this object, Now object creation ended. Object creation ended. Then the address will be loaded onto UV. So this is our object. This is object. All have understood this now, right? This is getter method. Getter method means the method will get the data from the object. The method will support to get the data from the object. In interview, they'll ask, do you know getter method? Getter method means which is used to get the data from the object. So the method is coming from the object. So the get user method will come for execution. So here void get user. Now that's getter method will get the data. Hope you understood already. This will take the data from here. Anyway, you understood, but I'm drawing it out. It is getting the data from this object or not? No, because the method came from that object. This method can display the output. All of you understood this? Right. Yes or no? No? That is constructor. All of you understood this keyword? Right. Actually, you must not call keyword actually. It is a this variable actually. But if we call keyword also, no problem. Because predefined word, no. Predefined words, you can call it as keyword or built-in word. Got it? You can use it. But this keyword is acting like a variable. Sir, how can you say variable? It is holding address, no? So what kind of variable now? Primitive or non-primitive? Non-primitive data type variable. Sir, non-primitive means it should have a class type, no? What class type means? Class is there. Java dot lang dot class already there. So built-in formats are there. With that, it is a non-primitive data type variable because I written in interview they'll ask, it is a variable or keyword. So you must say it is a variable to hold object reference, but it's a predefined format. So we call it as keyword. You must answer both. Understood, right? So these are the points by yesterday. I stopped this diagram yesterday. Hope you are clear, I think, right? Okay. Constructor is supporting you to take the data and load it onto objects while object creation process. That's the diagrammatical meaning here. Okay, right? Now, one last conclusion. Sir, I am an object-oriented programmer. No, sir. I am creating object. No, sir. Object means one storage for the class. In how many ways I can load the data to object? In how many ways I can load the data to objects? Up to now you done two ways. One with reference variable done, no? E dot ID is equal to. And today you are doing with the constructor. Like this, how many ways are there to load the data to object? Make a heading. Star mark IMP. Loading data to objects. Loading data to objects.
Question.
Loading
would you build a website for a major brand With more than 200 million users using Wix? Well, we did. Hi, I'm Sivan. I'm an R&D manager here at Wix. Today I want to show you how we use our own platform, creating some pretty complex functionalities that may surprise you. First, all of our web pages are built on Wix. They get a huge amount of traffic. Users that sign up to Wix come with all kinds of needs and goals. So to match them with the best solutions, we built an onboarding flow on the Wix editor using custom code. We also embedded a web component using the custom element feature. These can be developed in any client-side technology like React, Angular, Vue.js, your call. So what now? Push to production? Well, not just yet. That's where the release manager comes in handy. It's a built-in tool that allows you to gradually roll out new versions and test them safely. What about SEO? Go ahead. Google Website Builder, create a website, or any of the other 3,500 highly competitive non-branded keywords we compete for. Security? Done. No compromising there. Our whole business depends on it. So let's put it this way.
We can load the data to objects in three ways. Okay, you can use constructor.
Nope, we're done here.
You can use object reference variable. You can use setter methods.
देखो almabetter.com एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पे आप अपने मनपसंद प्रोग्राम में एनरोल कर सकते हैं और वहां पे अपना प्रोग्राम खत्म करने के बाद आपको 6 लाख से लेके 25 लाख पर एनएम का पैकेज भी मिल सकता है जहां पे 500 से ज्यादा बड़ी कंपनीज हायर करती हैं आपको।
We can use
HDFC जैसी कंपनी। इनके प्लेटफॉर्म पे 50,000 से ज्यादा लर्नर्स हैं और 1,000 से ज्यादा एक्सपर्ट्स हैं और मजे की बात तो ये है कि आपको 6 लाख पर एनएम की मिनिमम की जॉब लगने के बाद ही आपको कोर्स का पैसा भरना है। पे आफ्टर प्लेसमेंट मॉडल का बहुत ही ज्यादा यूनिक है। तो ये वर्क कैसे करता है? देखो सिंपल है, almabetter.com पे जाके आप साइन अप कीजिए और एनरोलमेंट रिफंडेबल फीस भरिए और अपना प्रोग्राम सिलेक्ट कीजिए। उसके बाद ट्रेनिंग खत्म करने के बाद 100% प्लेसमेंट की गारंटी मिलती है और जॉब लगने के बाद ही आपको प्रोग्राम का पैसा भरना है। और डोंट फॉरगेट टू साइन अप ऑन almabetter.com।
Example, demo, above program only, no. Demo, constructor, find.java. We can use constructor to load the data to objects while object creation process. Example, demo conf5.java. We can also load the data to objects using object reference variable, or you can say object name. We can also load the data to objects using object reference variable or object name. You can use object name or you can use object reference variable. You can use object name or you can use object reference. We used this program. Have you seen this program anywhere? Right. Look here. Where means reference as parameter, reference as return type. Right. Demo methods 8. One program. Demo methods 8. I took customer no here. Customer is having an instance variable no, right? Customer object is available here no, right? I am accessing ID by using OB no, right? All of you understood this? I am accessing the variable by using OB. Means what? I am loading the data to object by using object reference variable. Observe everyone. I am loading the data to object by using object reference variable. So example is demo methods 8.java. Demo methods 8.java. Demo methods 9.java. These two programs. In the two programs, we are loading the data by using object reference variable or object name. We are using object reference variable or you are using object name. You can say object name or you can say object reference variable. Anyone. Right, look here. I'll show them 9 also. This is an assignment solution I given to you. User details. I'm accessing with name or not now. Name I given. So you can access, you can load the data to object by using object reference variable. You need not something. Or you can load the data to object by using constructor. Constructor will load it or not now. Like these two ways are available. Third one, we not used up to now. Third one, we not used up to now. We call it as setter methods and getter methods. Actually, setter methods and opposite is what now? Getter methods. Okay, right. We can load the data to objects using setter methods. We can load the data to objects using setter methods. I'll write the definitions down, setter and getter. I'll write down. Right. Let me write the program. Okay. Actually, rule will be like this. I'll take demo con 6 continuation. Demo con 6 subclass. Demo con 6.java. Main. Right. I'll take one class. Generally, many classes I used customer, product, book, something I used. So I'll take again, product is there, book is there, some order I'll take. Subclass, order ID and product name. Roughly I'm taking. Okay, right. All comes under same will be there all. I'm taking ID, order ID, order name means product name, my instance. Product name, order ID and product name. Of course, the person name also will be there, customer name. Order ID, customer name, product name. Okay, right. Now here, the rule of setter method is, how many variables are there? 3 variables. Void set ID, one method. Void set customer name, one method. Void set product name, So how many methods I written now? 3 methods. There is a rule actually. That only setter method means each variable will have one setter method. Now this setter method will take the parameter string ID. Now this variable same or not now? Whenever same is there, you must use what now? This dot ID is equal to ID. All of you understood? That only. Coding will be easy. Once you observe it, you can do. There, based on that questions only problem. Entry problem, working easy. All software engineers are happy. Only who is, means you people only, sad people I think. Sorry, you have to go to interview when the job will come. All software engineers enjoying tomorrow I think. Because working nothing is there. Only entry point only problem because they'll ask this sir, they'll ask this officer, they'll ask super sir, they'll ask super officer. All these how can I remember sir? You ask one software engineer, no, I forgetted them. Whenever I want, I'll copy somewhere and I'll paste it. So work is over for you. Roughly I'm speaking. So reading very hard and you have to remember them. But you understood already. Same name is there, this keyword. Now this set customer name, taking name. Okay, right. Now what will take it now? String customer name. Here what is there now? This dot customer name is equal to customer name. Same product name here. Sir string product name. This dot PROD. Product name is equal to PROD name. All of you understood setter? Right. Okay. Now getter methods are there. Same. How many variables are there? That many getters. Actually, that is a rule. That is a standard rule actually. If you use setter getter, how many variables are there? That many getters you must use it. See there. I am using get ID. I'll use it. Roughly I'm writing here. Next one is what now? Get customer name. Get customer name. Next what now? Get product name roughly. Now, sir, get means I must take outside, no? Right. So, ID will return what value now? String value. ID is string or not now? So, here you must write what now? RETURN, return ID. All of you understood this? Right. Now, customer name. Return type is what now? String. So, here return is what now? RETURN, return customer name. Now, product. Return type is what now? String. And here RETURN, return product name. All of you clear about this? Right. Setter, and because of this in core Java, we never write this word because lengthy will come no. Generally Java only, if a program line 20 lines okay, 30 lines okay, 50 lines okay, 100 lines will throw the book and go. That's not problem. Length increases are not needed because this headache why? Give one method, setter one method, getter one method. Sir, easy sir, only two methods are there. Actual rule of advanced Java this one. But here I must write today, no other way, because students should know no for interview. One object is there. How we are loading the data to object means I learned from core Java trainer. I can load the data by using constructor. I can load the data by using object reference. I can load the data by using setter method. Which one we use it means you have to wait. Clarity will come. The clarity also will come. When the journey is going on, the clarity will come. Got it now? So there are three ways available to you. All of you understood how I written setter methods and getter methods? Right. Now look here. And now import java.util.scanner. Java.util.scanner. Okay, right. Now read this scanner. Scanner S is equal to new scanner of system.in. Now, create object for your order. Okay, right? ORDR order. Some O is equal to new order. So system dot out dot print ln. So here enter the order ID. Enter the order ID. Whenever I want to enter the order ID, yes dot next line. I took a string or not now? Next line. So take this next line and pass as parameter to set. What is it now? Set ID. Call with O dot. Can I call this? All of you understood this? Yes or no? Observe it now. I am reading the data. I am passing the data as parameter to which method now? Set ID. Set ID belongs to what now? Oh, all of you understood this? Yes or no? Na? Louder. Louder. Understood? No? You must understand because methods completed. No, sir. Because next step I'll say. Now I'm entering into package. Next to strings 3 days. Maximum 4 days. 4 sessions. Next to wrapper class 1 session. 5 sessions. So packages, strings, wrapper classes. After that, linking objects. You have to link objects. Linking objects 3 ways are there. Reference, inheritance, inner class. Once linking objects completed, collecting objects. Array, collection, map, enum. Right? These 2 are major. If these 2 are ended, 80% core Java is ended. Then conclusion. Sir, when I am linking, disturbance comes, handle it. Exception handle. Understood this point now? Now my program should take the data from more than one multi-thread. My object should have a permanent storage file. Move the data from one location to another location. Network. Course is ended. That only core Java. Understood this statement? Now we got that only core Java. Of course, chapters will be there. Inheritance, interfaces, abstract classes, inner classes, names will be there. But concept this only. Subject concept that only. Overall, what you learned means objects I learned. Loading data to objects I learned. The class I can declare variable, method, block, constructor. The concept will be simple only. But chapters, small chapters will be there. Because of this, already the batch is out of your hands already. Means what? Almost 30 to 40% of course you covered. Already came to consider no already. So 40% of courses has been covered. That's the meaning here. So you should understand. This is method call. Set ID is a method call taking the parameter directly from s dot next line and setting. Now here. Enter customer name. Who ordered that? Customer name. O dot set customer. Here I am typing very hard. I am typing no. In the 2 days, Eclipse will come. ID Eclipse. It only will generate and give it. Now I am typing manual. No, actually the Eclipse will make all the methods ready to you and it gives to you. In real time that only, because sometimes variables will be 20, 22 variables will be there for table forms. 20 into 240 methods you cannot type. It takes much time. If you start morning 9, breakfast started, it will be ending for lunch break. So half session of engineer will be wasted because they given IDs. IDs means 1 minute. You add all it and click it. It only will generate all methods and give 5 minutes. That option is there for you. You are thinking that you have to type very hard, you are thinking. But still I not entered into ID Eclipse. Now I am typing manually. Set customer name. S dot next line. Same. Enter the product name, what you ordered, roughly one product name, O dot set product name of S dot next line. So same methods I know, set ID, set customer name, set product name. Whenever I want to display, I am displaying with getter. Okay. System dot out dot println display order details. Order details. System dot out dot println order ID. You can call directly O dot get ID. You can call it. This method is return type method. No. Yes or no? Na? When the data came here, you are printing directly. You can print it. Here, customer name. Here, get customer name. Product name. Get product. So these are getter methods. These are setter methods. Anyway, now let me run it. If I made any spelling mistakes, they'll come out. Batch is 138. Now Java C demo con demo con 6 dot Java. Enter the order ID A111. Customer name is Raj. Product name is, he ordered what? Some mouse he ordered. Roughly. Answer is coming now. My intention is using setter method and getter method. Setter methods and getter method. All of you understood? Yes or no? Here I am taking example as demo constructor 6.java and output. We can load the data to objects using setter methods. Now they'll ask in the interview, in FAQ, in core Java, they're asking question, what is the difference between setter methods and getter methods? One question is there. Okay, right. Let me make that question to you once. What is the difference between setter methods getter methods? What is the difference between setter method and getter method? Setter methods are used to set the data to the objects. setter methods are used to set the data to the objects. Getter methods are used to get the data from the objects. Getter methods are used to get the data from the objects. Setter methods are used to set the data to the objects. Getter methods are used to get the data from the objects. Right. Can I write coding rule here? Right. Coding rule is how many variables available in the class. Each variable will have its own setter and getter. That is the rule, right? Each variable in class will have its own setter method and getter method. That's the rule. So 10 variables are there means 10 setter methods, 10 getter methods. That's the rule. Setters and getters. Make it. Coding rule. I'll make it. Coding rule. Each variable in class will have its own. Each variable in class will have its own setter method and getter method. Each variable in class will have its own setter method and getter method. All of you understood this statement? Yes or no now? So these are the points anyway. So final. Now, sir, constructor is there. In that constructor only I brought constructors are used to load the data and so on. Okay, right. Now here, destructors. One word is there in the C++. Who knows C++? You know that word. If you don't know C++, be happy only. So one word is there in the C++, destructors. One word is there. So they'll ask in the interview, Java having destructors or not? Java having destructors or not? One question is there. Okay, right. Make it FAQ. Java having destructors or not? Java having destructors or not? Actually in C++, everybody knows C and C++ mandatory actually. Not nowadays and in previous days. If you take my engineering and for me both are mandatory. My engineering is 1998 to 2002. So not now when the Java came, right? Because I recruited on Java. On the day Java recruitments happened in the college, I recruited. 98 to 2002. On the day I had complete C is there for me. Complete C++ is there. Our engineering studies different. Pass 220 credits is pass. Percentage calculated for 200 credits. 200 credits is the pass. 220 credits, 200 credits is the pass. Percentage calculated for 196 credits. Means as a student myself, I had a choice. I can remove some subjects. 24 credits I can remove. The choice is there on that day, 20 years back. A student can decide, I want this subject or not on the day. We had option. If COBOL class is there, on that day we have a COBOL. We have some other electronic papers are there. I can decide it. I don't want this class. I'll take it. I never go to that class. I never go to that lab also. I can leave the lab. I can leave the subject. On that day, different approach. On that day, C++ complete is there for us. So from that C++ only object flavors came. C++ is the root for object flavors. And the non-object oriented C is the root. These two are parallel roots actually. So C is common anyway. If you know C, you can come to C++. If you know C++, you can come to Java on that day. But today, no C, no C++, Java. Directly you can enter it. No problem. So there somebody will ask today, 1 or 2 persons are asking, define destructors in Java or Java having destructors or not. On that day, whenever we write constructor, when the constructor execution completed, at the ending, we must write a destructor. So that destructor will destroy that memory. Whatever the constructor memory created, it will be destroying. Today, in your JVM, auto destruction, no? I only draw the diagram or not. When it comes to Java stack area, method frame destroyed. When it comes to heap area, the constructor memory also destroyed. Because of this trend, destructors not available in the Java. There is no concept of destructors in Java because the constructor memory is auto destroyed. No need to destroy manually. Auto destruction is available for us. Make a statement if anybody asked. There is no concept of destructors in Java. There is no concept of destructors in Java because the constructor memory is destroyed automatically. Total JVM is a runtime memory. There is no concept of destructors in Java because the constructor memory is destroyed automatically. Today you know variables. Today you know methods. Today you know blocks. Today you know constructors. Method also coming to Java stack area. Block also coming to Java stack area. Constructor also coming to Java stack area for execution. In Java stack area, only 3 will come. Who will come into Java stack area? These 3 only will come. 4th one not there. So, how many frames are available in Java stack area? How many types of frames are available in Java stack area? Means 3 frames. What are they now? Method frame, constructor frame, and block frame. Make it. What is the difference between method frame, block frame, and constructor frame? Constructor frame. What is the difference between method frame, block frame, and constructor frame? The partition of Java stack area where method is executed is known as method frame. The partition of Java stack area where block is executed is known as block frame. The partition of Java stack area where constructor is executed is known as constructor frame. Right. Right. Look here. So these are the informations about your constructor. Okay. Now see there. At last, the class component what you taken on the day one. The class component what you taken on the day one. I started one definition. Class is a structured layout generating objects. Class can hold variable, methods, and main. There I started. So today, class can hold variables, class can hold methods, class can hold blocks, and class can hold constructors. Yes or no? Right. Now this class should come under one package. Now class construction ended there. The class should come under one package. And the package should come under one project. Come under one Java project. So class should come under one package. Package should come under one Java project. So you started with a class holding variable, holding method, holding block, holding constructor. Today the class is ready. Now the class should come under one package. The package should come under one project. Because of this reason, your edit plus journey is ended. Now we are entering into IDE Eclipse. So packages and creating Java project using IDE Eclipse. That is tomorrow's class. Understood this point, right? So before coming for tomorrow's class, download your Eclipse, install the Eclipse and come. So today's program is the assignment not there. You have to wait it. Okay, right. Just you type that program, last program in your edit plus. Tomorrow onwards, the practice will be shifted to IDE Eclipse. So before that, download IDE Eclipse and come. Right. Okay. I'll give the link to you. Right. Download IDE Eclipse using the following link. Is a link. http eclipse.org and downloads. Okay, right. See there. Whenever you are downloading now, here you can find download. Installer will be downloaded. If you click on that installer, it will ask an option. Sir, which one? There will be options will come. Which one I must select it? You must select Eclipse for enterprise Java and web. So download Eclipse for enterprise Java and web. Tomorrow download it, install it and come. Tomorrow packages, creating Java project using IDE Eclipse for tomorrow's class. I'll start the class a bit early because tomorrow title will be there. Time will not be sufficient for us. So tomorrow at any cost I must show creating Java project with IDE, because weekend practice is creating Java projects using IDE. That's a plan, right? If you finish off that practice by Sunday, Monday we are entering into string chapter. That's the point. Monday we are concluding packages and entering into strings. That's a plan. Okay, right. Take a break. Thank you very much for today.